Hey, welcome to Lawnmower Care. Today we have a good one. We have an SSR Bison. The problem was it just wanted to keep starting, and the only way to shut this thing off was to unplug the battery. So started getting the tester out and testing different things, and looked online to see if anybody worked on these things, and not a lot of places to go. So just had to kind of diagnose it ourselves, and long story short, we unplugged the battery originally, and then I found the solenoid, which was here. And in all my years of working on stuff, I've never seen a solenoid like this, but since this product is, I think it's made by China, so it's got a different solenoid on it. So what I wanted to do was order another one, which it just came in. I actually ordered two of them in case one was defective, or if I didn't hear anything like a click or anything like that. I don't know, just, you probably know how solenoids work, where they make noises sometimes, and I don't know, they're just kind of spitballing it here. So what I want to do is kind of throw this solenoid in that spot and then try it. I put the tester on the key switch. You can take the key switch out by removing the key, and it actually spins off. And then you can take the hood off and then pull it out the backside, and it's got a wire that hangs off of it, and then it plugs in. But I put a tester on it, and it was testing. It was showing, voltage and everything. So it appears to be working properly. So I couldn't get much more than 4 volts out of this plug-in. There's a plug-in that goes to the solenoid here, and I couldn't get more than 4 volts to show on the voltmeter. But long story short, after doing a lot of testing, I decided just to kind of order a replacement part, and that's what we're going to do right now. And then we're going to see if it works, and I decided to do this video in case it works. That way we have an idea for someone who's going through some of the similar stuff. Anyway, let's get into it. Get your nut and your lock washer, because that's going to go on the other side. Now usually I would recommend, since I'm just doing this for fun just to see if it works, I'm gonna go back in here and tuck everything away properly and stuff. This is just a quick video just to see if I can help you guys out and myself, like, knowing what's going on with this. Then I'm gonna go back through, zip tie stuff, make sure that no water can get in here and stuff. But this is just a quick video just to see if it's a solenoid or not. We're gonna put our lock washer on. There it is. Now just be real careful, because the battery's hooked up and we want to not hit the frame of the machine or anything. There it is. So it's tight enough just to get a quick test. So our new solenoid's hooked up. Like I said, I'll go back through here and tidy things up. This is just showing you how to plug it in, how to replace it, what my part number was, kind of what we thought it could be. Anyway, next thing is the test. So we have the battery all hooked up, and our machine isn't starting up like it was. Before, it was just wanting to crank all the time. Put your parking brake on, put it in park, put your foot on the brake, turn it on. That's a good sign so far. And you should hear something starting. There we go. And then when we shut the key off, it should shut off. Let's start it back up. it was a solenoid, folks. If you like what you're watching and you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.